DQ.
So in last class we have discussed about double-ended queue. Is there any question or doubt in that? Yes or no? At least yes or no. You need to speak yes or no. I need not to repeat it again and
No,
again.
sir.
सर अभी तक तो
Can
कोई
we,
डाउट नहीं है.
can
No,
we
sir,
move
no.
ahead on the next topic in the last topic of the queue, that is priority queue.
सर अभी तक तो कोई डाउट नहीं, आएंगे तो पूछ लूंगा.
So priority queue. So priority queue we are starting and it is the last topic of this queue. Like we have seen till now, simple queue, circular queue and double-ended queue. In double-ended queue there are two different types, that is, can anybody tell me different types of double-ended queue?
Input restricted and output restricted.
Input restricted and output restricted.
Very good. Input restricted and output restricted. So these two different double-ended queues we have seen. Now the last one is priority queue. So what do you mean by priority?
So which thing comes first? Which one comes first?
Preference.
Preference, yes.
Preference. So in this priority queue, what happens actually? Every element will have some priority or will have some key value associated with it. हर एलिमेंट के साथ कोई ना कोई की वैल्यू एसोसिएटेड होगी, ओके, जिसको हम प्रायोरिटी बोलते हैं. नाउ लेट मी टेक एन एग्जांपल फर्स्ट. Example is, suppose you are working and you have installed some antivirus on your system. Okay, you are working, suppose you are working on this, writing a program of Q. Okay, and suddenly a pop-up menu occurs which shows that some virus is there in your disk, removable disk. So what is that actually?
सर वो उसको क्वारंटीन कर देगा ना.
You are working somehow on your computer, like you may watch a movie, or you may working on a computer like program or whatever it is. So one pop हुआ जिसमें that shows that you have that system has found some virus. So what is that? तो आपका जो काम था, that program, now you are not able to write anymore till you have not closed that particular pop-up menu or you have not run that antivirus. So you are not able to write your code. आपका काम
So that's important task. That's important task to perform.
सर एंटीवायरस को ओके करेंगे ना.
Sir, if you take example of a phone call, if we are working or doing something, if a phone call occurs, then we have to take it or.
Yes, that is another example. You are working on a mobile, say, so like as soon as your one has been called you, तो आपका phone hang हो जाएगा. Hang हो जाएगा मतलब all the tasks have been stopped. And now until unless you have not picked up your phone or cancel your phone, आप दूसरा काम नहीं कर पाओगे. आप YouTube देख रहे हैं वो सब स्टॉप हो जाएगा, होल्ड हो जाएगा. आप कुछ गाने सुन रहे हैं वो होल्ड हो जाएगा. आप कुछ कर रहे हैं, चैट वेट कर रहे हैं, that also सब होल्ड हो जाएगा. That is good example. So what does it means? So other priority job has been occurred that needs to be handled on priority basis. Same in the case of our example, like of antivirus. So virus operating system holds everything you are doing and it promptly shows the box that shows that there is something what you need to do on priority. So operating system scheduling, actually it is again it is the part of scheduling. So scheduling में कहीं ना कहीं ऐसा एक ऑप्शन है जहाँ पर भी एंटीवायरस इंस्टॉल है, वहाँ पर आपको as soon as antivirus has detected something, it needs to be handled on priority. So that is what the example that we can relate directly with the priority queue actually. And priority scheduling is there that holds or that handles all these things actually. Which task needs to be done on the priority and which can be holded for the later on. So that is all done with the help of priority scheduling. Specific scheduling in the operating systems like first come first serve scheduling, shortest job scheduling. There are many kinds of schedulings that operating system uses for schedule the task. One of them is called priority scheduling, and that priority scheduling is actually based on priority queue. That's why I have taken the example of that same also. So you have seen two different examples for priority task. So similarly in this we will learn about how we can handle the task when it comes of the with some priority actually. Okay, So now priority queue is a queue in which each element is assigned the priority. Priority of an element determines the order in which the elements will be processed. Now priority queue, हर एलिमेंट क्या होगा, एक एक की वैल्यू के संग एसोसिएटेड होगा, and which is known as its priority, and on the basis of that priority or key value we will perform some operations on that element, whether it will be insertion or deletion or whatever it is. Okay, so though there are actually two rules that are there to handle all these things. One is an element with the higher priority will process before an element with the lower priority. That is a very general rule. Like we have taken an example of attending a call for incoming call alert. So it will have the higher priority and it holds all the other tasks, and you need to first handle that thing. Either you need to cancel it or either you need to receive it. So higher priority task will be processed before an element with the lower priority. Same, otherwise, suppose two elements with the same priority occurs. It may possible कि दो same priority के elements भी आ जाएंगे list में, queue में. Then it will be done on the first come first serve basis. Is it okay? So like two virus has been detected. So again in that case the first virus जो detect हुआ था वो remove होगा, then second virus will be removed. So it will be based on first come and first serve actually. So is it okay? So two rules are there to handle or process the different elements in the priority queue. That first one is element with the higher priority will get the priority and will get the benefit. It will be accessed first. And in the case of same priority, the first come first serve rule will be applicable. Is it okay? Any doubt in this?
No, sir.
And types of priority.
Sir, how the priority is decided for an element?
Yes, good question. Priority can be given in the question only, or like before implementing the priority, you should be clear about the assignment of some priority rules. Okay, so there are many rules through which we can assign some priority. So actually it is not actually the part of our thing, we can say. It is a part of we can say a team which is working upon the collection of requirements from the users. So on the basis of user requirements, the priorities will be decided. And we are there only for the coding. So coding will be done on the basis of the document that has been prepared by the collection team. So there are actually many ways to give the priorities. Again, it could be the first come first serve. On the basis of that, जो topic हम cover करने वाले हैं types of priority queue, it could be the answer, one of the answer of your question actually. So based on like how we can decide the priority, based on that we can divide the priority into different types. First one is ascending priority queue, or we can say minimum priority queue. In this type of the priority queue, elements can be inserted into any order, but the deletion or the removal can be of the smallest element first. That is what the priority means. Now priority हम यहाँ पर कैसे क्या decide हुई? Like elements can be inserted in any order. It means कि like order कुछ भी होगा, लेकिन जो element delete होगा वो कौन सा element delete होगा? जो सबसे छोटा element. So that is how the priority is being decided. So deletion will be of the smallest element. So we will like apply some ways and means to identify the smallest element or the minimum element of the list. That is one way to decide the priority. Another way could be descending a priority queue. It means the maximum. Just reverse it. We will try to find out the maximum elements in our array or in our list, and then we will process that element or remove that element first. Okay. Now this is what the insertion कैसे भी हो रहा है, लेकिन removal is based on that. It is not like so always. This is only the types that has been suggested. You can take it on your own way. Like आप insertion भी इस तरीके से करवा सकते हो कि वो ordered हो और unordered हो. Okay, वो increasing order में हो या decreasing order में हो, किसी भी तरीके से insertion हो सकता है.
तो सर पहले ये डिफाइन नहीं करना पड़ेगा कि हमको पहले प्रायोरिटी को मिनिमम नंबर को देनी है या मैक्सिमम नंबर को, पहले तो ये
क्वेश्चन में गिवन होगा, और या फिर आपको मतलब जो भी सिनेरियो दिया हुआ उसमें मेंशन होगा कि क्या करना है आपको. अभी मैंने बोला कि इट इज ऑल डिपेंड्स अपॉन द डॉक्यूमेंटेशन और द क्वेश्चन दैट यू आर गेटिंग इन ऑर्डर टू इंप्लीमेंट द क्यू. Okay. First, look at the examples, then we will discuss the things or questions by you. So now I am going to show you the array representation of the priority queue. Array representation. Okay. So now you have got the answer of the question, yes or no? Please, like किसने मुझसे क्वेश्चन पूछा था ना कि how we can decide the priority. Who
दक्ष
has
ने
asked? Dash, have you got the answer?
Yes, sir.
So there is no specific way to give the priorities. These are some of the ways that we can discuss. Generally, these two different tools like maximum or minimum priority key are being used in order to calculate the we can say numbers or alphabets, or in case of higher like data or like different kinds of data, or we can say not non-homogeneous data, there may be some other rules also to decide the priority. Okay. So
Okay.
we are doing like basic on the numbers and characters. So for that we can say we are having two ascending and ascending priority and descending priority. Now array representation of priority queue. How you will represent an priority queue using array. So linked list representation is also there. Then that you can do it when we learn about the linked list. Okay. So right now we are going for the array representation. So array representation are of two types actually, unordered and ordered. You can see now. So unordered and ordered. So unordered, what do you mean by unordered? Tell me, what is unordered? Unordered क्या होता है?
सर
Without
ऑन
order,
ऑर्डर विदाउट ऑर्डर सर अनऑर्डर्ड में होता है क्या फाइव
Ordered means
छोटा
ascending or descending.
डिसेंडिंग
So what we are going to do, we are having two different ways to implement the priority queue. So in unordered case, insertion in the priority queue is same as that of the push in the stack. It means element जैसे भी element आएंगे उसी order में हम insert करते जाएंगे elements. Okay. So insertion in this kind of representation is very simple and similar to the push operation in the stack. It means you just enter the elements as they are coming. Okay, we are not maintaining any order. Now deletion.
Sir,
how deletion
हमें-
will come now?
सर मेरा एक क्वेश्चन है
हाँ जी.
सर हम एक फंक्शन अलग से फंक्शन बना के अगर हम ऑर्डर अनऑर्डर्ड भी एलिमेंट एंटर करते हैं तो वो फंक्शन के थ्रू ऑर्डर्ड में बन जाए और तब वो एलिमेंट क्यू में सर वो हो जाए स्टोर हो जाए तो ऐसा हम कर सकते हैं ना
हाँ अगली बार वही करेंगे हम ऑर्डर लिस्ट में वही करने वाले हैं बेटा. अभी हम अनऑर्डर पढ़ रहे हैं एक्चुअली. ओके. So unordered में what we have done is insertion can be done with the help of same simple insertion way, but deletion needs some manipulation actually. So deletion of maximum element. यहाँ पर हमने क्या बोला अभी maximum element की हम बात कर रहे हैं. It could be minimum also. Okay. So deletion of maximum oblique minimum you can write over there also. और maximum minimum element in the priority key is कैसे करेंगे हम? We can add the code like inner loop of the selection sort to exchange the maximum element with the item at the top. Maximum oblique minimum you can write. Element with the top, and then delete that element as we did in the pop of stack. So you are getting it like in insertion. In this unordered insertion is simple. As the element comes, we need to insert the element into the queue. But deletion requires some kind of manipulation first. अब because क्या हुआ होगा कि मेरे पास एलिमेंट ऐसे कोई एंटर हुए होंगे तो ऑर्डर्ड नहीं होंगे. Like A, then say X, then P, then B. Okay. Now suppose this is how the elements are being entered into the unordered list. क्योंकि ordered नहीं है आप देख रहे हैं. अब but according to minimum or maximum priority queue, you need to decide which element will be deleted. Suppose maximum priority queue I am using, and in that maximum element will be deleted first. So out of these four, which one is the maximum element or the largest element?
P.
ए
X.
X is the largest element. X is the largest element. So largest element needs to be removed. Okay. So as we have seen in the case of this one, key insertion can be done in any way, but the only element, largest element, can be removed. So element that needs to be removed. So pop operation perform नहीं किया जा सकता. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Or again, what we need to do, we need to perform some calculation, and it could be a selection sort to exchange the maximum element with the item at the top. If you remember that in selection sort, what we can do is we can have some procedure through which we can change or swap this with the largest element with some steps. कुछ steps perform करने के बाद हम इसको इस तरीके से लिख सकते हैं A, P, B and X. Which that is what some selection sort steps through which we can exchange the minimum or the maximum element with the topmost element. Now X is at the top and we can perform the pop operation easily. In this way we will remove the element. Is it okay now?
Yes, sir.
We will have an example of that also, but for the time being you just understand, or you just try to understand this thing. So in these four elements, which one has a higher priority?
X,
X.
Which one has the lowest priority?
A,
A.
So here we have not assigned anything to it actually. Like key value हमने assign नहीं करी यहाँ पर. ये ऐसा नहीं बोला कि this is 1, this is 4, this is 3, or this is 2. ऐसा नहीं बोला मैंने. Okay, this is explicitly mentioned. Okay, so but in some cases it may possibility we have to assign some key values to the letters. और explicitly यदि दी हुई है तो आपको यूज करनी पड़ सकती है. But right now in this we can say 3CS2 for 4 5 syllabus जो है हमारे पास, उसमें हमारा simple implementation of priority queue है. Okay, so you just need to understand these things. और अब इसी का हम बोलेंगे मिनिमम हमें रिप्लेस करना है, तो मिनिमम एलिमेंट टॉप पर कौन सा आएगा?
A.
A,
A यहाँ पर रिप्लेस होगा और लिस्ट कैसे बन जाएगी? X, PB, A. Somehow A will be traversed through and will be replaced by the topmost element. So A will be now removed. This is how the unordered list can be maintained. Is it okay? Now come on to that ordered list. In order, what we need to do? In this, insertion will be done accordingly. So what we are doing is, in unordered, we have simply insert the elements at random. हमने randomly insert करते गए तो हमें बाद में issue आया और हमने swapping करी कुछ ना कुछ किया. अब हम क्या करेंगे? हम insertion ही इस तरीके से करेंगे कि element ordered रहेंगे. So for insertion we need to do some calculations, okay, so that all the entries are in the array will be ordered. So in this way the minimum or the maximum element will always be at the top. And simply deletion can be performed simply by popping. So in this, deletion is easy, but insertion required some calculation. So in insertion, in this ordered, what we are going to handle is insertion, and in the unordered, we are going to handle mainly in deletion. Is it okay? The insertion priority to move larger entries one position to the right, thus keeping the entries in the ordered way. So this is somehow we can say insertion sort. If you will look into that, तो ये insertion sort की तरह होगा. We will learn insertion sort in third unit actually. Or if you have already done, it is good. So in unordered हम क्या कर रहे हैं यहाँ पर selection sort का कुछ method use करेंगे और यहाँ हम insertion sort का कुछ method use करेंगे. So is it okay? So in this we try to make the entries already into the ordered form, so that हमें बाद में परेशानी ना हो. Now let me come on to the example. Theoretical part is clear now, so we can do the example now.
Yes, sir.
So I have already made some table for you, and now I am going to insert one by one. Now, and you need to tell me what is the value. Okay. Now first of all, suppose we are going to insert. This is just look at that. This is unordered representation. It is unordered. Okay. Remember that. What it is? It is unordered. So now insert P. So content क्या होंगे यहाँ पर? It will be P. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
yes sir,
Then insert Q. Unordered है क्या होगा?
PQ,
PQ. Okay, like in unordered, element will be inserted as they are coming. Okay, next one is E. So what it will be? P Q
P Q E.
Okay, right now the size you can see it is 1, 2, and 3. 3 elements are there. Okay, now delete or delete maximum. Now here you have been asked to delete the max element. Okay, you have got it. Now what you need to do? You need to delete the maximum element. It means it is a kind of which type of the queue where we are
Q.
maximum priority queue.
Q.
Maximum priority queue we are using. So returning element क्या होगा यहाँ पर? Q return होगा. Q, very good. So Q because it has a highest priority. So actually में अब क्या हुआ? Q and E have been Q some operation or some steps we have done. We have tried to like move Q to the top of the queue. So now remaining elements will be P and E.
E.
And the size will be 2. Is it okay? Yes or no?
Okay,
Yes.
sir.
Now again,
Okay, sir.
say insert. I am going to insert X. Where it will be?
P E
Size will
X.
be
On the top.
X.
P E X.
X. Now again insert A.
P E X A. 4.
P E X A.
A.
Okay. Then again insert say M.
P E X A M. 5.
Now suppose delete max.
X.
What it will return?
X.
X
4.
will be deleted. Now, maximum element is X.
4. P E A M.
PEMA.
Very good. PEMA.
क्यों सर? कैसे P E M A कैसे सर?
First X and M will be replaced.
Oh.
अभी हमने क्या बोला कि we will try to find out something to replace or to swap the element with the topmost element. So ultimately swapping हो रही है X की और M की. Is it okay now?
Okay, sir.
Very good. Then insert again. Say P. 2 P's could be there. No issue in that. 4, 5. What will be there?
PEMAP.
P E M A P.
Then again say insert L.
PEMAPL.
P E M A P L.
Insert E.
T E M A P L E.
Finally remove or delete
सर एल कहाँ से गया ऊपर से?
Sir,
एल
PA.
डिलीट कर दिया. P E M A P L E. I. Yes. Oh, correct, sir.
now tell me delete max.
PEMALE.
L.
EL, sorry. PEMAEL.
First tell me
T L.
which element will be deleted.
L.
P will be deleted, sir. P will be.
I think all we need to revise ABCD first.
Sir, P will be deleted.
नहीं, someone is saying M, someone is saying L. So I think अभी हमें ABCD याद करनी पड़ेगी एक बार.
सर ये भी दोबारा अल्फाबेट पढ़ने पड़ेंगे सर.
Which element will be deleted?
P.
P. Now tell me there are 2 P's that I have deliberately entered multiple times P. So which P will be deleted first now?
Second one.
Right
पहले
one.
नंबर पे होगा.
Right hand side.
Now listen
Left
me.
hand side.
Now listen me. When two different two elements have the same priority. Now there are two P's that means they have the two elements which has the same priority. Then which rule we will follow?
Come first,
First come
sir.
first serve.
जो सर
First
पहले
come.
एंटर करा होगा ना वही तो
So,
जाएगा, फ्रंट पर होगा वो.
so now list will be list
Starting
क्या
from-
होगी बताएं?
Starting
English
with
EMAPL.
Double E
EAMAPL
So is it okay now? Is it clear to all now?
सर
कोई-
ई 3 आ गए सर, 3 है क्या ई?
सर लास्ट वाला ही हटेगा.
हाँ अब सही है.
Yes, sir, I'm saying.
So is it okay?
ओके सर.
Any doubt in this now?
no, sir.
No sir.
Good. So in this way, the maximum priority queue unordered works. Okay. Now we are coming on to ordered. Same example I am taking again. Okay. Now suppose so that I need to copy over there. Okay. यहाँ मैं ये copy कर लेता हूँ. Now we will see how it works. Okay. Now see what it is actually. It is ordered. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
Now you need to tell me what the output will be. First insert P. So it is P only.
P.
Insert Q. Then PQ only. Then
PQ.
insert
EPQ.
EPQ.
EPQ. EPQ.
EPQ.
So is it okay now? How it has been there?
Yes.
Because it is ordered list, then what we are doing is we are initially now trying to enter the elements in such a way that they will be ordered. So अभी ordered है, EPQ ordered है. So यहाँ पर हमने कुछ swapping करी, कुछ भी किया, कोई भी operation लगाया. It could be a insertion sort because it is very much similar to that. Because in insertion sort we need to do this thing actually. We try to insert the element in its sorted position. So यहाँ पर भी हमने वही किया कि we have tried to insert E at its sorted position. तो sorted position पे वही हुआ कि इसी sorted position थी आपकी E, यहाँ पर आना था आपका. So now delete maximum. What it
Q
will
will be
be?
deleted.
Definitely it will be returned.
EP.
1, 3, 2. So it will be now.
EP.
P.
तो अब यहाँ पर मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं वाली, टॉप से एलिमेंट डायरेक्टली पॉप होने वाला है. Now X.
EPX.
EPX.
EPX. Very good. Next.
AEPX.
AEPX.
X. Is it okay? Everyone is
Okay.
now M.
P.
AEMPX.
A.
AEMPX.
E.
AEMPX.
Okay, now delete that one. Delete. Which will be deleted? Definitely at the top element X. X will be deleted definitely. So I need not to search which one is the maximum element. Yes or no?
AEMP.
AEMP.
The next one is P.
AEMP. AEMP.
AE.
Double P will be there. Yes.
Yes.
Then L6.
AEMPL.
Confirm.
AEL.
Is it okay?
AELMP. LMP.
LPP.
AELMP.
Sir, LMPP.
गलत बोलते रहते हैं. सब गलत बोलते रहते हैं.
AELMP.
सर अल्फाबेट फिर से पढ़ने पड़ेंगे.
It's right. It's right. Sir, it's right.
AELMP. सर अब ठीक है.
Very good.
AELMPP.
Now what? Last one remove, that is P. Definitely it will be removed. So I need not to write it again. It will be simply this one. Is it okay?
AELMP.
Okay, sir.
So this is what the output of unordered, and this is the output of ordered list. So in ordered, so all the elements are in order way, either in descending order or not. Like this is what the maximum element we are searching. Suppose minimum होता तो इसका उल्टा होता. You are getting my point? Suppose मैं
Descending order में
और सर अंत नहीं ऐसे सर
हाँ,
एक कंडीशन
that's
है सर, हमें डिलीट में सर मैक्स लगाते ही नहीं तो फिर क्या होता? तो कौन सा एलिमेंट होता सर? ए एलिमेंट
आपको
रिटर्न
बताना
हो जाता
पड़ेगा
ना?
कि मैक्स है या नहीं है।
अच्छा बताना पड़ेगा। हाँ
ये मैंने आपको पहले ही बता दिया था कि क्या हो रहा है ये।
सर ऐसे ही चेक कर रहा था सर, हो सकता है कि नहीं।
इंसर्ट टू राइट। सो अब यदि हम यहाँ पर ऑर्डर्ड मैक्सिमम की जगह मिनिमम कर दें तो क्या होगा? दैट इज व्हाट यू वांट टू नो ना?
सर मिनिमम पहले प्रायोरिटी दी जाएगी, डिलीट पहले हो जाएगा सर।
डुप्लीकेट बनाते हैं। Now suppose minimum, what we are doing is minimum in this. Okay,
ई डिलीट हो जाएगा
ऐसे हो जाएगा।
सर। पहले आपने डिलीट मिनिमम
First
दिया
of
ना,
all, E has to be on the
ई
top.
डिलीटेड।
If you want to
ये सब चेंज हो जाएगा ये। It will be now QP.
सर डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में अरेंज कर दीजिए।
Definitely, minimum element will be at the top now. Minimum element will be at the top. Okay, yes or no?
यस सर।
यस
Sir,
सर।
it will be of the same but in reverse, and the deletion will be from the last index only, sir.
Yes, definitely. That is what you have got it. So is it okay now, है ना? Do you know that it means कि this QP and so on. Tell me where X will be now.
last
एक्स क्यू पी।
बोलते जाइए,
XQP.
बोलते जाइए।
XQP है।
एक्स क्यू पी ए।
XQP
XQM
एक्स क्यू पी एम ए।
XQPAMA.
एम
XQPAMA
ए।
A will be deleted.
एक्स क्यू पी एम।
XQPPM
एक्स क्यू पी पी एम।
PM.
XQPPML
XQPPML
एल एक्स क्यू पी
XQPPMLE
पी एम एल ई। एक्स क्यू पी
XQPPML
पी एम एल।
This is what the minimum means. Okay. So I think now you have got it. The various types of queues, what is ascending or what is descending, like array representation of unordered, array representation of ordered, and we have seen the examples of every like type of queue now. So now you have, if you have any doubt, you can ask now. Is it okay with you?
Sir, yes, sir. In unordered list, sir, in unordered list, will you open, please?
Yes.
Yes, sir. The last operation, sir.
Yes. Last operation it
So
means
why there is two keys?
yes, there are two P's, no? P and
Yeah,
P.
we need to delete the.
We need to delete the
Yes,
max.
sir.
So maximum element is P now.
Yeah, first in, first out.
And then we have 2P, it means two elements with the same priority. So we will take the first element which is being inserted. So firstly,
Yes, sir.
this
First
P
in,
is
first
being
out.
inserted.
Yes, sir.
That's why we have like replaced this P with the E. And we are not changing this P actually. Okay. Now suppose again
We
मुझसे
have
बोला
to
जाता है,
place.
delete. Suppose मुझे अभी बोला था delete max now. So again it will be deleted. And now it will be likewise. What it will be now? EEM
MAL
एम ए एल।
AL.
Is it okay now?
So, sir, we have to arrange it in ascending order when we are deleting it.
No. We have just
So, sir, two
swapped,
peaks simultaneously.
we have just swapped the maximum element with the topmost element. That's it. इन दोनों को हमने swap किया actually.
Okay, sir. Okay. So the last element will be swapped with the maximum element.
Yes, topmost element will be swapped with the element which needs to be deleted.
Maximum.
Like here,
Deleted.
suppose I need to delete
Okay,
X.
sir, okay.
So here X is replaced with the M. Here I need to delete the
M.
max, that is Q,
Yes, sir, okay.
and Q and E will be replaced to each other and so
Placed.
on. Done?
Yes,
डन
sir.
सर।
Okay, anything anybody wants to ask? Any question?
No, sir.
That
Sir,
is what
which-
the priority queue means. So this is all about the priority queue. Any question from your side now?
Sir, which one is better, order or unordered?
It depends on the situation every time. Like we have a different kinds of implementation, different methods, and as per our requirement or the user's requirements, we can choose it upon it. Okay, like in some situations there may be a case key where unordered is okay. In some situations where we think like ordered is like more appropriate, whatever it is. But like it always depends upon the situation you have been given with.
Sir, as we are prioritizing the insertion or deletion of the elements, sir, so sir, can't we prioritize the operation also, as means if we have to insert first or delete first in this case?
No, no, no. How you can prioritize the operations?
Sir,
This is
that may be conflictual, because if we are not
this is all
inserting
random.
anything, then we can't delete also.
Yes, this is all random actually. Anytime you can insert, like in situations occurs where you need to insert. Anytime the situation occurs where you need to delete. It is all random, and it is all depends upon the user section. So user doesn't know what is actually being first to perform. Operation cannot be
सर मुझे भी समझा दो सर, क्या
operations
कह रहे हो
cannot
आप
be
लोग?
prioritized.
सर मुझे भी समझा दो सर, क्या कह रहे हो आप लोग?